No, you eat your things there. You have your plate. You have your plate. Wala. Wala. See, so we can continue. I continue to work. I'm gonna start to. I want to try to finish the room, babe. Hi guys, good morning. Today is another day, another day. Isabel's cleaning, guys. Isabel's helping with me. So, nandito kami ulit kasi tatapusin namin tong aming pagpipintura sa aming munting tahanan. So, ito po yung ginawa ko nung isang araw. Kasi hindi kami pumunta dito kahapon kasi nga super lamig. And wala kaming heating, guys. Ito. So, ayun guys, makikita nyo, mapapansin nyo, may part na tawag dito, yan. Maputi kasi hanggang dyan lang ako nagpintura. Tapos ito, ayan, ang ganda. Ang ganda ng pagkapintura ko. Hindi na kailangan ulit-ulitin din. Kasi inulit-ulit ko na nung pintura ko. Hindi kagaya kay Tony kasi talaga pantal-pantal yan. Pakita ko sa inyo, Tony. Ini ginawa niyo isang araw. Kita mo yan? Uulitin ko yan. Ulitin ko yan. Then, hi, Abel. Isabel is helping with me. I want to pupo. Basta magpahawak yan siya ng kamay, ibig sabihin, magpupupsiyan siya. Hard? Is it hard? No, hard. Okay. So, yun na nga guys, mag-umpisa na tayong pipintura. Hopefully, hindi lalamig masyado dobo, no? Nagdadala naman din ako ng baon, guys. Siyempre, Pinoy food. Ciao! Hi guys! Kakain na daw kami guys, sabi ni Tony. Nakakita si Tony ng pagkain. Yung hinanda ko, sabi niya kakain na tayo kahit alas 12. Usually talaga, papi. Usually kasi talaga kakain kami ng mga 1:30. Pero nung nakita ni Tony yung pagkain namin, gusto na niya kumain. wala akong ayan, meron kayong yellow rice and meron tayong noodles. Gusto ko ng noodles and meron din tayong egg. And syempre yung ating bula-bula. Yan, meron tayong bula-bula guys. Nakita ni Tony ganyan. Kakain na daw siya ang si Isabel. Pero lumabas si Tony kasi bibili daw po siya ng... sit! Sit na? Sit na daw siya. Where you want to sit? Sit there? Sit. Mag-sit na daw siya. You want to eat na? She want egg. She want egg. She want to eat egg. Pero Isabel, it's not mine? It's not mine? Emilio? You want to eat na? Oh, Isabel want to eat na daw guys. I think, dahil, we let her eat na lang. Asbet, I'll give you some plates, okay? Let's get some table na lang. She wants to eat. Pang-ubo na dito guys. Dito na lang natin guys, no? How much you want lang? You want an egg? And rice. Let's get some rice. An egg. Biglang nagutom si Tony. Biglang nagutom pagkakita sa pagkain. Kasi nung last time, nagdala lang ako ng sandwich. Yung ngayon, nagtikim siya guys. Sabi niya, kakain na tayo. Here na. Wow. Kaya pala sa sarap na sarap ito niya. You wanna sit there? Do you wanna sit there? Wanna eat alone? Help mama. Wanna help mama?
Papi.
Help lang mama day? Help lang? Help lang mama? I let you eat na lang day. I let you eat na lang. You want the egg? Let's open. Let's cut. kibunta lae. Mama game. Open. El erizo. Aspetta. Aspetta. Hungry? Filipino si Isabel talaga, guys. Filipino no? Abel no? Filipino no? Bye di ko dai. Kami ni Isabel, guys, kinauboy style. Okay, she likes may egg siya. Chita. Ano? You wanna sit? Do you wanna sit? Okay, sit here. Uy, manjari ko ah. Kusi, pacha mo kusi. Sit like that. No, paniente, uwale. Okay. Sit, put it there. Put it here. Okay, she doesn't like that. She want to eat alone. Okay, paniente. Eat na. Help lang mama day. Help lang. You want something of this? Bite. Close. Mino. Egg? Want egg?
Mamma mia, baby, limone. So nice.
Wow.
99, no?
Did you got it? Wow.
Vuoi un po' di limone, eh?
No, don't give Isabel. She doesn't want it.
And me, babe, what is it? My plate?
If you want to eat there, you can eat just there, huh? Directly here or just... No, qua!
Wow. There, no, vabbè, dai, you eat
The
there.
other one.
You eat there, babe. You eat in the one.
Va bene, prendi qua.
Aiutami, dai, che facciamo veloce. And you didn't do 3 egg.
I leave to Nuna. I said she likes. I leave to Nuna così she's not gonna cook.
Basta, dai, metti un po' di riso anche. Basta.
Beh, prendi qua lei.
Leave, no, babe, leave, voglio.
Isabel.
Vai, no, vabbè, no.
Mama.
Papà.
Bumili si Tony ng ng lemon.
Guarda. You want lemon, babe?
See?
Guarda, babe, guarda quanto limone.
Not all, because Isabel.
Oh.
But anyway, this is enough for Isabel, the one I give.
Sì.
Yeah. I wanted to get the table, babe. I said, nala, siya stari, is very pisante da.
Yeah?
I said, I wanted to get the table there, ba? It's very pisante that thing. Isabel. Isabel at alone. Too much full your mouth. Slowly. Do you wanna sit? We wanna put here so it's more comfortable for you. What? What? See? No. She doesn't like it. You wanna bite something? No, you eat your things there. You have your plate. You have your plate. Wala. See, so we can continue. I continue to work. I want to try to finish the room, babe. I will do the one in the middle.
You can live in the middle, it's very complicated, babe.
And then where can I sit? In the little room if I finish this one. Or in the toilet, no?
Toilet as well is complicated.
But the toilet is very easy, huh? On the sofa. Babe? Michael get jealous of what they ask you, you bring this one. eat in the morning.
Che guapa Isabel.
If you're in there. Nagising si Isabel. Kami lang dalawa dito. Nagising, patulogin natin ulit guys. Hindi natin. Tulogin natin ulit. Para makagawa pa tayo kasi we're super busy. La la la. La la la. La. Ang dami ko pang gagawin. Meron pang dalawang kwarto. May 2 rooms, may 2 toilet, tsaka yung kitchen. Kailangan pa namin gawin guys. Ito, medyo okay naman na siya. Try ko gawin yung ceiling. Meron akong roller, kaya lang. Masakit yung liig. Mas komportable ako dito kaysa sa roller. Tsaka sa roller kasi paulit-ulit, ilang beses ko paulit-ulit, hindi masyado makapal ba. Yan, hindi pantay. Hindi siya pantay. Ewan ko, bakit hindi pantay? Mas pantay yung, yung brush. Masanay siguro talaga ako doon. Sige guys, patulogin ko muna to si Isabel.
Much later.
Guys, ayan, tapos na kami nag-ano nito. Tinapos ko lang itong ginawa nito sa gitna. And after nito ay uuwi na kami kasi madilim na and andito na sila Asya and Michael galing school. So super bilis lang po talaga ng time dito guys. Ang bilis
Galing
lang dumilim.
school.
It's already 5 o'clock. Ano ko na?
46.
Not even, but it's already dark. What I'm using now is my telephone flashlight. Yes, because it's really dark. So, yan, tinapos ko lang ito.
Well, we don't still have electricity.
Show Papa in the other room na. Papa is going in the other flat, the rooms of the kids. And we're going home. See you
Yeah.
next time.
Bye-bye.